Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super comforting braised pork ribs with preserved plums. Just look at that glaze. Shiny, tender, and full of flavor. It's sweet, tangy, and totally irresistible. Alright, let's get started. Here I've got some pork ribs that have already been chopped into pieces. Give them a good rinse and drain off the excess water. For aromatics, we will need a few chunks of scallion, some slices of ginger, 1 star anise, and a bay leaf, and of course the star of the show, some preserved plums. Once everything is ready, let's cook. We will start by blanching the ribs. Put them into a wok of cold water. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Bring it to a boil and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then take them out and rinse with warm water or hot water. This keeps the meat tender. Now heat some oil in the wok. Add a few pieces of rock sugar and let it melt slowly over low heat until it turns a nice golden color. Then toss in the ribs. Stir fry until they are evenly coated in that caramel color. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and throw in your aromatics, the scallions, ginger, star anise, and the bay leaf. Stir everything together until it smells amazing. Now pour in some hot water, just enough to cover the ribs. Bring it to a boil, leave the lid off for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then cover and simmer on low heat for about 25 minutes. Let's check on it. Remove the aromatics. And now add the preserved plums. About 5 pieces should do it. Mine are quite sour, so adjust depending on yours. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover it again and let it simmer for another 25 minutes. When the sauce has thickened and turned glossy, give it a quick stir so the ribs are evenly coated. And that's it. We are done. Look at that. The ribs are soft, sticky, and packed with flavor. Even kids and grandparents will love this one. Let me give it a taste. It's rich, fragrant, and with that little tang from the plums. Sweet, sour, and savory all at once. Seriously, you've got to try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.